In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off instant booking on Booking.com. If you'd rather review guests before confirming a stay, switching from instant confirmation to request-based bookings can give you more control and peace of mind. Here's how to do it. Start by opening a browser and going to https://admin.booking.com. Log in to your Booking.com extranet account as you normally would. Once you're in, open your property dashboard for the specific listing you want to change. From the main navigation, choose the property menu, and if your layout looks a little different, it may appear as settings. Next, open the Policies section. Within Policies, look for a line or card called How You Receive Bookings. Click Edit to make changes. You'll see an option that changes how confirmations work. Select the choice labeled All Guests Must Request to Book, which may also appear as Request to Book depending on your account view. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. From this point forward, guests won't be able to confirm the reservation instantly. Instead, you'll receive a booking request that you can approve or decline. This gives you time to review the guest's details and any notes they've shared before committing to the reservation. It can be especially helpful if you host in a property that needs extra screening or if you coordinate around specific house rules or arrival windows. A few practical tips as you use request-based bookings. Be sure to respond to requests promptly because they won't stay pending forever. Keeping your calendar accurate is essential since you're manually approving reservations and you'll want to avoid declining due to preventable conflicts. It also helps to set clear expectations in your listing about typical response times so guests understand when they'll hear back. There are a couple of important caveats to know. This setting is not available for every property or region. In some locations or for certain listing types, Booking.com may require instant booking to keep the listing active, and the request to book option may not appear at all. If you don't see How You Receive Bookings or you can't select Request to Book, that likely means the feature is restricted for your account. Quick recap so it's fresh. Go to admin.booking.com, log in, open your property dashboard, choose Property or Settings, head to Policies, find How You Receive Bookings, click Edit, select All Guests Must Request to Book or Request to Book, and click Save. After that, guests can't book instantly, and you'll approve or decline each request on your terms.